Good morning. Alam nyo ba, it's 5 o'clock in the morning. Ang aga ko nagising Ay kasi guys, it's my daughter's birthday today. Yes. Magpo-40 na ang anak ko. Yoo! At yun nga guys, nag-prepare ako ng table pero yung tablecloths ay missing. Yeah. Bait talaga ng tao sa mundo, no? Grabe. Missing ang tablecloths kasi birthday ng anak ko. Yun. Nag-escape po na kasi dinugas na. Ayun, pero okay lang naman guys. Hindi naman natin nagtatapos ang birthday ng anak ko doon. Tsaka, pakialam ko naman sa tablecloths. Kasi, sabi nga ng lola ko, if you miss something, someone more need it. Yeah. Yun ang mayroong masihigit pa na kailangan nila kapit sa patalim. Later, yeah. Welcome to Denmark. Stolen is okay, yeah. That's why if they are there, wherever in the country, stolen their things, it's, they allowed to stolen their things. It's okay guys. Stolen their things and don't call police, yeah. Police is not allowed to call here in Denmark. Don't disturb, okay? Because there's no insurance if you stolen something. Yeah. Magtanong na lang kayo sa ibon. Tweety bird, did you see my things? Tweet, 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 quack, quack, quack. Yeah. Quack, quack, stolen your things. Ayun guys, kaya huwag ka nang umasa. Kasi kapag nawala na at huwag mo nang ibalik. Huwag ka nang umasa kasi naku, magsasayang ka lang ng panahon at huwag kang high blood din sa country. Sa country ng Denmark kasi normal lang yung stolen something. Alam mo doon sa Copenhagen, mga Pilipina doon, kapag may cash, nawawala sa, kapag kumakain sa KFC. Normal lang yan. Ano ka ba? It's legal. Stolen something in Denmark, especially money, that's fine. That's okay. You know, you can stolen their things too if they go everywhere in the other country. Yeah, that's fine. That's legal. Yeah, in legal way you can stolen. I learned something from Denmark. Yes, to stolen things and don't turn it back because if they allowed me here to learn something about their attitude, stolen even that inside the house. That's okay. If they are inside the hotel and then they go somewhere, just stolen. Stolen their things or throw it out to the garbage. Yeah, so they can find out what is best. To be nice or to be idiot forever. Okay lang yan, guys. Tsaka, yun, okay lang yan. Yung nagnanamit namit na yan, guys. Ano yan, guys? Hindi nakakaintindi ng English. Tamang namit na lang. Because I speak English, they have a biggest problems. Yun, guys, okay? Remember, if you meet them, stolen their things, it's okay. No insurance if you stolen bags. That's fine. It's okay. Yeah, especially money. Go shopping and, eat more, yeah. Food is stomach ache, yeah, and it's good for your tummy. Joke lang, guys. Food is life, yeah. Yun. Alam niyo na, dating gawin. Alam niyo kung kaya niyo manglaslas ng wallet ng okay lang yan. Ano ka ba? Sundan niyo, tanggalan niyo ng pera at cellphone at lahat. At sabihin nyo, how do you feel that, you miss things? Can you travel or can you fly going back to your country? Ting-iling nyo, sabihin mong ganun, ulol nyo.